Hello, our little friends. Today we will learn how to sort the garbage. What do we see here? Yeah, container and different garbage. What we need to do? We need to look for garbage the same color as the container and throw it there. Let's do it. Yeah, we see that we have the green container. That we need to find a green garbage. This one. Yeah, this one. This. And this one. One more. Yeah, we fill the container. Super! We see two containers, one green and one blue. We need to find the blue and the green garbage. Let's start. Blue one, green one, green one, blue one, blue more, green, more green. Oh no. And one more blue, and blue more. One more green. Yeah! We filled all containers. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's a playground with a garbage. Here we need to put cubes of the same color on the bench and press the big green button. Let's start. Take the green cubes. 1, 2, 3, and press. Yay! For your work, you get a gift. Try again. We take a yellow one. 1, 2, 3, press. Yay! And one more gift. What this is the house of the bees. And take the blue one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! And the gift is ready. Let's see what's next. We need to take the one car with the I think I want to take with the yellow cabin. And there we see a labyrinth. We need to get to the garbage, the yellow garbage. Click on the arrows and move the car. We need to click the arrows right. Put it. One more. I think I want to take with the green cabin. And now we need to find the green garbage. We need to go right. Then we need to go up and then one more right. Everything is good. And now I want to take the machine with blue cabin. And now we need to take a blue garbage. Okay, we need to go right, up, and one more right. Yeah. Super! Bye bye.